Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in your BMW M4. This feature helps you achieve maximum acceleration from a complete stop, managing engine output and traction for the best possible launch. It's designed to provide a consistent and exhilarating start, making your M4 perform at its peak. Understanding the steps is key to unlocking its full potential safely and effectively. To activate launch control, first ensure your engine has reached its optimal operating temperature. Next, select the Sport Plus driving mode for both the engine and transmission settings. Crucially, you must fully deactivate the dynamic stability control system. With these preparations complete, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, holding it down. While holding the brake, push the accelerator pedal all the way down, past the kickdown point. You'll see a checkered flag symbol appear on your instrument cluster, indicating launch control is engaged. Once this symbol appears, quickly release the brake pedal. Keep the accelerator fully depressed to maintain maximum power and achieve the fastest possible acceleration from your M4. Remember to use launch control sparingly, as frequent use can put stress on drivetrain components. Always practice in a safe, closed environment away from public roads. Before attempting a launch, ensure your tires have sufficient tread and are at the correct pressure for optimal grip. After using launch control, allow your engine and transmission to cool down properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.